Right? Safety is the most important aspect in performing or doing chemistry, right? Because without safety, you can't perform chemistry safely. You die. Basically, it's risky. Anyway, so I want you to pause the video right here and read the definition of flashpoint and the word flammable real quick. Pause the video. Okay, all right, have you read this? So the flashpoint is the lowest temperature at which vapor or the material will ignite. Is it dangerous if you are nearby a liquid that have low or high flash point? Low flash point, right? The lower the flash point is, the easier it catch on fire, basically, right? So fuel which have a flash point less than 37.8 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit are called flammable. I'm sure you guys know that in our country, there's a certain area that the temperature in a hot day in the summer, it goes up over 100 degrees. Can you imagine there's like a liquid right next to you and it just somehow just catch on fire right away? That's really dangerous. So anything that have any liquid fuel that have a low flash point, so you will get labeled flammable. Look like you probably have seen this before. Okay, and all right, let's talk about this real quick. So when I have a liquid, for example, in this case, let's just water. All right, if I have a glass of water and leave it at room temperature, let's say leave it for a few days, let's say 3 days, I come back, what happened to it? It's gone, right? It's gone because this liquid vaporized over time. The rate of vaporization depends on the liquid, right? Water not as fast, but the fuel like octane really quick, right? Let's say if you tap the nozzle and go to the gas station, bring out the nozzle, there's some part of the fuel that vaporized already. Bring up the nozzle, it vaporized already. That's the reason why you should not have a fire source nearby the gas station. You should not ignite anything or even have the flashlight, not flashlight, the lighter or anything that could be a light source near when you pump the gas. Okay, I have this for you. Let's take a look at this one real quick. Give me 1 second. I have to pull this up real quick. One moment. Hang in there. Okay. Okay, all right. If you can see this, I'm going to share screen real quick. I can share screen. Here we go. All right, look at this video right here. So there's a lady pumping the gas, and he has a lighter on her hand. That's not a good idea. The lighter is on her right. I don't know what she doing. Oh, she tried to like. Oh no! She pulled it out. Oh no! I think this that's really dangerous. All right, hold on. I'm gonna go back to the PowerPoint. So first of all, do not use any light source. Hold on. Here we go. No. Go back to the PowerPoint. Okay. Do not use any light source, the lighter or a cigarette or whatever. When you're pumping the gas, okay, this could happen. I think this happened in Russia. If you look at the letter, I'm just guessing this might be in Russia, right? And these two guys just drive away. Should they help a little? I mean, just go far away first, just in case of this explosion. But maybe call for help or something. Oh my God. Anyway, so watch out for that. All right, now how to extinguish fire. All right, so go back to how to make fire. To make fire, you need 3 components. You need fuel, you need oxygen. What's the other one? The heat. Right, you need enough heat to ignite to start fire. Well, if you want to extinguish the fire, remove one of these components, just one of them. Give you some example. By using water, which component do we remove? Heat. Yep. So cool it down. Right. So when the temperature goes down to a certain level, the fire cannot keep going. All right. The a certain type of fire extinguisher has some kind of like, what's it called, dry chemical, or maybe wet powder. Yeah, so to remove either the heat or the usually the heat. Okay. Using sand, which component we remove from these three components? The oxygen. So we cover it with sand. All right. So the fire, the combustion reaction won't have the access to oxygen in the air. So, right. Fire blanket. All right. Super easy to use. This the same thing with the same idea with the sand, but this is for us. Usually you just pull. If you look at me right here on my camera, you pull and then you roll. That's all you need to do. Pull down, like this handle, pull down, and there will be the handle that you can pull. You pull and you wrap it out yourself, basically. Okay, and some of you might enjoy this. Oh, the white is my favorite. Okay, now the combustion reaction in life, so there's quite a lot of it. So for example, the combustion reaction in industry, so produce a SO2, SO3 gas, NO2, NO, these are toxic gas. All these are, and because the toxic gas, it goes up to the air, and when the sky starts to rain, all of these get oxidized in the air with the oxygen gas, become nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and come and fall down with the rain from the air and become an acid rain or acid snow. Okay. We also another combustion reaction. So just sparkler, firework. These are all combustion reactions. So it is a combustion reaction of magnesium, aluminum, iron, titanium, ferrotitanium. These all can go combustion reaction. They can act as a fuel. Okay. All right, now one more time, write a complete balanced combustion of magnesium. So magnesium right here. To make fire, what do we need again? Fuel, oxygen, and the heat. All right, and in this case, you're not gonna get carbon dioxide because we don't have a carbon-based reactant. Okay, so you're gonna get just one thing, so magnesium oxide for sure. All right. And all right, now make sure when you write this equation, so make sure you the chemical formula is correct, and then balance equation. So magnesium group 2 plus 2, oxide negative 2, right? Cross it over, you get magnesium oxide. Right, just like that. Let's see, 1 magnesium here, 1 magnesium there, 2 oxygen to the left. So put 2 in front of magnesium, and that affects number of magnesium. So we have to put 2 in front of magnesium on the left side. Okay. All right, that's it. Let's go to the next video.